my name's Tim, and I'll give you a rundown where everything's from. My overcoat, which is the most kind of obvious part, is a vintage one from Grace, which is a very kind of renowned, famous brand of leather goods. My jacket and trousers are from various different companies I used to work for, being a made-to-measure consultant. My tie is from Walker Slater, and my shoes are from across the road at Gaziano Girling. My scarf is also a vintage piece. Simple as that.
I design my own clothes. I don't make them, but they're made by my tailor in Soho, Tony the tailor. But he only makes them, he doesn't design them, I do. I'm an individualist and not a fashionista. Fashionistas are boring. You've got to be you, this is me. People say to me, where are you going? I say, I'm not going anywhere. This is my day clothes. This is my day clothes. That's my name. Not the tailor's name, that's my name. Because any tailor can make these clothes anyway, you know? If you go to a tailor and say, can you make me a suit, you have to tell him what you want. If you don't, you'll walk out the tailor spending £3,000 on the suit that he designed and not you. You look like him. I don't look like the tailor, I look like me. But these are branded. They're Ray-Ban, which I don't, I want to take the name off, I don't like the name. The hat's Laird. You can't, but they don't do these anymore. I've got about 3 different colours for different outfits, you know? You have to know, the thing is about how you look. You've got to have some kind of imagination. And it goes from the top to the toe. Right down, cuffs, cufflinks, double cuffs. Nice spear point collar. Gives it a nice shape on the neck. So it's all to do with that. Anyway, there you are.
Yeah, my jacket is from Junior Watanabe, blazer from Dries Van Noten, trousers from Minky Lee, my boots are Gucci, and the jewelry is from Pitango. Glasses are Oliver Peoples, the hat is vintage thrifted.
My name is Neil. Currently, I'm in Oxford Street Circus, being approached by this young woman, and I am wearing currently on my jackets a Vetements shirt. It's like a double-sided kind of joint. I got me M16 military jacket on, so it's military surplus. Good stuff, good military stuff. Got me actually a second-hand vintage vest, you know. Vintage, with a stolen Arts Club belt. It's got the whole Michael Jackson Thriller video on the back. Very nice piece. The Got me some Paradox, hella words, a lot of brands. Paradox. This is a French brand. Trousers, raw edged, cut up. Some Balenciagas, track runners, and that's me. And yeah, Woolrich on a hat. Rings, yeah, some Blue Burnham rings as well. Accessories, few chains, various chains, vintage chains, quite big pieces, big pendants underneath here. And yeah, that's me.
Hi guys, I'm Romario Chavoy. So I'm wearing my custom denim hat by Hat of Fire. The jacket and the blazer I thrifted. It's just a basic turtleneck. The jeans are Alawalia. The shoes are Clarks times GCDS. And the bag is vintage Chanel from the 80s. And my jewelry is my jewelry. You ain't gonna know that one.
So my shoes, we'll start bottom up. My shoes are New York from Effie Castleberry. My trousers are from Bodie, as well as my scarf. My sweater, Husbands of Paris, a vintage Ralph Lauren shirt, an old Ben Sherman jacket, yeah. My glasses, Italian brand Dandies, very cool.